Hello everyone, today we're going to be making meatloaf, my version. So the very first thing you're going to need, I'm going to use turkey. So in this case, I'm going to use turkey, chop onions. I also chop garlic up as well. You're going to always season your meat to taste, remember that. And then also add some bell pepper, chopped bell pepper. You're gonna also need some tomato paste as well as ketchup. I'm gonna use both. Go ahead and scramble 2 eggs, and you're gonna literally combine all of your ingredients. Get you some chopped crackers. Saltine crackers will work just fine. You can even toast bread and use bread if you don't have saltine crackers. You know, I'm making a large meatloaf because we're having a family dinner tomorrow for Sunday. And yes, don't judge me, I do have my grandmother gown on, but I have my gloves on though. Mix it up thoroughly. You're gonna make sure that you get all your ingredients together. And again, if you need to add more ketchup, then do so, don't be afraid. After you mix everything together, I usually season it one more time just to make sure that I get it all the way through. And then after that, I'm gonna mix it up again to make sure I can form it properly. Make sure you smooth it out. Presentation is everything, guys. I'm sorry. I don't always get it right, but for the most part, I do try. And once you've formed your meatloaf, you want to top this with ketchup, okay? And I also garnish it with parsley as well. Put this in the oven on 350. Now here's the kicker. I usually cook mine over an hour. So on 350, an hour or until it's done. It won't hurt you to do an hour and 30 minutes as well. And you need to gauge it because in this case, since I'm making a large meatloaf, I'm gonna have to cook it maybe a little longer. So I'm not afraid to do it for an hour and 30 minutes. But you can test it to see whether or not it's done. Ooh, look at that steam. You guys have just made meatloaf. Thank you so very much for watching.